Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is our tiffin time and we are passing our time in gossiping. You are watching that some of my favorite students sitting behind me and they are very happy to become in front of camera. And they are so brilliant students. They always come school. They don't never um, fail to come to school. If it weather rain or if it weather any other critical situations, they always come in school. Though the government are giving feed in tiffin time, but before that, whenever they admit in this school, from that time they always come regularly in our schools. And Sabiha, Nusrat, কি জানি তোমার নাম? What's your name? Israt, Nusrat, Israt, Sabiha and Mohima. Mohima, আমি আবার বলি I'm telling you name again. Nusrat. Her roll number is 3. Sabia, her roll number is 1 in class 3. Mohima and Israt, they are also good students. I take them in math class, but whenever I get time, I go to take the class of English. And they today they said me, sir, we enjoyed your English class. Please, whenever you get time, please come and take our English class. Okay, I ensured them. Whenever I will get time, I will take their English class. And Sabia is not only a very good or excellent student, she is a extraordinary student, because in our